Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic4 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. Select Explore Wallet. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app, you can add payment card, check quick tips, and add passes to your account like transport pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go here, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, you can check full list of participating banks, manage contactless setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can manage password manager, manage payments data, passes data, manage your payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback to get more info about Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.